Hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. Today, I'll be guiding you through a quick and a simple step on how to log out or sign out of your CoinStats wallet. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive in straight into the video. First of all, open a web browser of your choice and make sure to go to coinstats.app and make sure you are in the main homepage for CoinStats. If you're inside the main homepage and you'd like to log out of your account, then all you need to do is to go ahead and click on your profile picture at the top right hand corner. This will then open up a little pop-up where you should be able to see the log out button. Click on log out and then you will be redirected to the main homepage for CoinStats. Remember that you must remember your credentials before you sign out of your account so that you can get access to your account anytime if you wish in the future. So that was how you can easily log out or sign out of CoinStats. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.